How to edit your voice in Voloco. Just recorded your voice in Voloco and want to make it sound epic? Let's edit your voice step by step, fast and easy. Open the Voloco app. On the home screen, hit the plus button to start. Choose record audio or import if you already have a saved clip, or tap new project. You can sing over a beat or go no beat for clean voice. Now start recording, hit the mic icon or red record button. When you are done, now the fun part begins. Swipe through vocal presets like hard tune, it's auto-tune magic. Make chorus means rich layers, vocoder means robotic vibes. Just tap to apply and hear the difference. Tap the slider or gear icon to adjust settings like key and scale. It matches the music. Pitch correction means smooth off notes. Reverbs and EQ. It adds space or clarity. Happy with your sound? Tap the arrow button, then hit save to download or publish it straight to TikTok, Instagram, or your music fans. And boom, your voice is now edited, published, and performance ready in Voloco. If this helped you level up your vocals, hit like, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment, and subscribe for more quick music app hacks. Catch you in the next one.